hands are trembling. My heart is pounding in my chest, my palms are sweating. My pulse is racing towards my death. That nervous itch gets under my skin, and now I'm feeling short of breath. I will never fucking win and have only one option left. Embracing my madness in a world built by sadness. You are only what you choose. I think I'm falling apart, down into the spiral of depression. It's all a common ugly fall. I cave to the manic obsession. We give up, cause that's who we are. We give in as we carve out these scars. Once again, the sky is coming down. Once again, I'm screaming with no sound. The air is blowing thick, my body's shaking with the cold. Damn to get it, feeling sick, my eyes are stinging from a ghostly hold. I can't tell what is real, my world is shifting to a nightmare. Escape has my future been fucking sealed as I am falling victim to my fate. My embracing my madness in a world built by sadness. You are only what you choose. I think I'm falling apart, down into the spiral of depression. It's all a common ugly fall. I cave to the manic obsession. We give up, cause that's who we are. We give in as we carve out these scars. Once again, the sky is coming down. Once again, I'm screaming with no sound. Give me a way out, God. Give me a way out. I need a way out. A fucking way out. I need a way out. A fucking way out. God, 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 God. I need a fucking way out. Embracing my madness in a world built by sadness. You are only what you choose. I think I'm falling up.